So hello everyone, we have this helmet box which has come from Amazon for around, price will be around 1100 I believe. Okay, so they are not aware of the color, so let me unbox it and I'll show them what color it is. What is your guess for the color?
Black.
Let's open and let's see. Festive sale. Let me turn it upside down. You said black, it's not black. Color reveal.
Yellow. Oh.
Sandstone or something like that. So size L, large size, and just show you the close up. Quite light and it's quite good. So it's L size. Alright. L size. Let me try on me first and then I'll try. Right? Quite good. Okay. Let me try on these guys also. I can't. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll show you one great thing. Right?
Yes, sir.
And for releasing, right? Let me try for this guy also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
like this, and then for releasing, you just have to press this. Remove the visor, plastic, take it out, right? And then this also has to be removed. So removing, actually it is like this, and quite good. So you can do this. You have this, can do this, right? And then just to release, you have this button here. Can you see? Yeah. So do this. Quite good. For 1100 guys. Okay, thank you.